Hey folks, I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron. And today, have you ever wondered how to season a cast iron grill press? Well, I'm going to show you a neat little trick today of how you can season your cast iron grill press real easily. If you like bacon, you can cook some bacon. Just lay your grill press on your bacon, and as it's cooking and the grease renders out into the cast iron skillet, it's actually getting up onto your cast iron grill press. And so once your bacon is cooked and you're done with that, then what you want to do is basically take your grill press out and just wipe it down real good. Okay, once you're done with your bacon, you can see how this grease has been up and around your cast iron grill press, and basically you just want to take and wipe off any excess oil, just like that right there, top and bottom, all the sides and edges. And now your cast iron grill press is seasoned and ready to go for the next time when you're ready to cook some bacon or whatever, hamburger or whatever you're cooking. So we just wanted to share that with you guys. We hope that's been helpful to you. If you've been wondering how to season a cast iron grill press, that's an easy way to do it. While you're cooking bacon, let the grease roll up around on it or whatever, and then just wipe it off and you're good to go till next time. Have a great day. It's Mike and Mrs. Cast Iron over here. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.